previously, companies would spend money to have us at an office. They pay for the office space, the upkeep of the office, all of the equipment that's in the office, maybe some, nice accoutrements in the break room. And now they're not having to spend that money. Some companies, it's been suggested, are saving up to $11,000 per employee per year as we transition to a remote situation. So, the question is there. How should that money now be allocated? Should this just be, cash stipends to workers to get their remote work set up properly, or maybe, sponsoring of purchases of furniture or any other tools that someone would need to be productive at home? What are some ways that companies can address that question?
From the remote worker, for the person that's more remote, there's a couple of ways you can think about it. And I always think about the employee first. So what is going to really enhance that employee's productivity and ensure that he is able to do what he needs to do within my working environment or within his or her role? So is that putting some more money into ensuring that they have a really good technology in order to do their work every day? Is it making sure that the services and products and solutions that we provide, we invest in that? So I think there is some monetary investment that needs to happen in order to ensure the remote worker is productive, whether it's ensuring they have the best laptop to do their job or the monitor that they need to do their job. But also we need to think about the infrastructure and the buildings.
Yeah, I agree with Suzanne. I do think there will always be a need for some place to congregate. However, where we've reallocated those funds is really just taking care of our employees. So, like I said, a few of them have had family emergencies. We created a moving fund with those dollars. When COVID first happened, we put a call out. Each employee can buy books or Legos or whatever they want to keep them, from going stir crazy during COVID, finding your own personal space. So again, I really believe that, humanity comes first. And if you take care of your team, if you really take care of them as people, they will perform and they will be very productive in the end. So a lot of our funds have been put towards really just taking care of their needs. Now, we're small enough to do that. As we grow, we've already started talking about putting stipulations and kind of more structured ideals around that. But right now, I think I'll still have some flexibility in it, even moving forward. So I would reallocate those funds into the development of your employees in some way.